Well, touting an all-in-one screening tool for breast cancer, a local clinic now under fire by the FDA says they're misleading customers.
Plus, a man.
A wellness center in La Mesa is accused of misleading patients by illegally marketing a breast cancer screening device.
Team 10 investigator Jennifer Kastner explains how the FDA is trying to stop the clinic.
On the main drag in downtown La Mesa, there's a small, unassuming clinic now under fire by federal authorities. On the awning, a sign reading Total Thermal Imaging. Along the red walls, rainbow-colored pictures of the human body and a question for passerby. Could thermal imaging save your life? Now, questions are being asked of this clinic by the Food and Drug Administration. The FDA has issued a formal warning slamming Total Thermal Imaging and President Linda Hayes, seen here on Facebook, for allegedly touting that an unapproved thermography device can be used as a sole screening tool for breast cancer and other diseases. Thermography is heat-sensitive imaging depicted in variations of color. 10 News spoke to San Diego's Susan G. Komen Breast Cancer Awareness Organization, which says thermography alone is not enough.
It can be used in addition to a mammogram or other screening tool that has been shown effective, but there hasn't been any scientific evidence right now for thermography being a standalone tool.
The FDA says Total Thermal Imaging illegally marketed and distributed its thermography device, claiming it could enable the early detection or diagnosis of disorders like breast cancer. The FDA is demanding a response within 15 working days. Recently, the clinic's president, Linda Hayes, sat down with ABC News.
Linda, you told our producers that nobody needs a mammogram.
I would never say, because people are very, very adamant about mammograms, and it's something I'm just not going to say.
But this is Hayes at a business expo talking to ABC journalists.
Do I need to get a mammogram if I do this?
Nobody needs a mammogram. Even if you never did this, you don't need a mammogram.
No one at the clinic answered the door. We called and sent messages and got this text reply. Total Thermal Imaging Incorporated is reviewing the warning letter from the FDA and developing a response. We will work with the agency to ensure our products comply with acceptable regulations. This isn't the first time that a clinic has gotten a warning letter about thermography. 5 other clinics around the country have gotten in trouble with the FDA in recent years. In the newsroom, Jennifer Kastner, 10 News.